Pilots Loading Total Parts Prototype with the 2023 MGZS stock number 7439. Open at 9th 2017 to the current shape. Has a 5S4C 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 5S4C 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, front bonnet, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,